best vlog ever. Good morning everybody, I'm your host Chuck and welcome to Just Check It. Today is 15th August, so happy Independence Day to all my fellow viewers, Indian viewers. आज ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं है. It's an Independence Ride Day vlog. It's already 8, almost 8 right now. So I'm picking up Chef right now. I'm also picking another friend up of who happens to be a colleague of Chef. See you guys at Chef ka place. Oh भाई ओ ये क्या पहन के आया है तू? मॉनसून का मतलब ये नहीं कि शॉर्ट्स पहन के आना होता है.
गिर गया अभी.
क्या बात कर रहा है? क्यों?
स्लिपरी था.
ये शेफ देखो, शेफ हरकतें अभी से चालू हो गई है इसका. गुड मॉर्निंग.
नहीं.
चलो अभी गाड़ी रिफ्यूल करते हैं और सो हम लोग आ गए हैं कोस्टल पे. नाउ द थिंग इज कि आई एम ड्राइविंग, सो शेफ प्लीज पकड़ना जरा. इधर ऐसे ही पकड़. वालकेश्वर वाला एग्जिट लेंगे, ये वाला.
तेरी गाड़ी जीजे है ना?
हाँ मेरा गाड़ी जीजे है. सो वी हैव पिक्ड अप अवनीश फ्रॉम हिज प्लेस. हम लोग डायरेक्टली अभी वालकेश्वर आ गए. द थिंग इज कि वालकेश्वर इज यूजुअली वेयर द स्पॉटिंग हैपेंस. That's the famous petrol pump, if you can see.
हाँ, yes.
जहाँ पे रात को गाड़ियाँ आती है.
हाँ. This is that petrol pump.
Yeah, and even this one.
This one, yes.
This one.
I was always trying to figure out which
So
one.
that's that. So just update came through via Neville. हम लोग Neville को मिलने जा रहे हैं. So sorry for this kind of orientation because I can't drive spot and do vlogging at the same time. But we did come across 2 groups of bikes which were really good. हम लोग ने फ्लाई बाय लिया बट वी ऑफ कोर्स कैन नॉट पोस्ट इट यहाँ पे. सो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पे वो लोग टैग्ड रहेंगे, तो गो ऑन आवर इंस्टाग्राम. इट इज फ्लैशिंग ऑन योर स्क्रीन राइट नाउ. राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मीट शूट क्लिक्स व्हिच इज केवल एंड नेवल राइट नाउ. सो शेफ स्पॉटेड समथिंग एट अ पेट्रोल पंप and we'll just see if it is possible.
Oh, they are taking the cover off right now.
They are not supposed to, but what if you think it's a Huracan? What if it's a DC Avanti?
It is. Shit.
I mean, I can go and check. It's not an issue.
It's a DC Avanti, guys. People thought it was a Huracan, but they did not know that head chef pointed out this slope. This slope is not very Huracan-esque. That's a very
it's
DC
too
Avanti.
small and low.
हाँ, Huracan पीछे से बड़ा है, उसका इंजन बड़ा है. This is a proper DC Avanti. But yellow वाला. I spotted one latest generation of DC Avanti on the क्या बोलते हैं ceiling once.
है.
Yeah.
Like latest generation मतलब पहले.
उसका 2 जनरेशन है ना. एक सो हमें जस्ट पिज़्ज़ा बाय द बे के सिग्नल से पैनिगाले दिखी और ग्रुप दिखा है. वी आर गोइंग टू मीट नेवल राइट नाउ. देर आर गुड चांसेस कि हम उसको वहाँ पे मिल सकते हैं. अब वो सिग्नल छोटे तो ठीक है, बट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. So if you guys can hear me or not, but this is what happens when an entire group of Ducati pulls up. Chef, you had to do the honors.
ए नहीं रे, मेरे को
कर vlog है.
मेरे को मेरा कैमरा संभालने दे भाई. Oh yeah, they are going on.
what a start to the vlog. That was so unexpected, to be honest. There's a CBR 650R, there's a Panigale, and see these bad boys. That's a Z900, but look at her. That's a Alien Eye S1000RR. Anniversary Booza 1, 2. There's another Alien Eye. That's the OG. That's the OG, guys. And that's the Brabus S500. But man, look at this lineup. Crazy. So one of my groups has a similar bike. Mr. Monil. Monil bhai ka bike hai. But man, these things, man. Amazing. Just Avnish, first day at the vlog, how do you feel?
Crazy, bhai. The bikes today are crazy. From the Panigale right there.
Yeah, the Panigale. We still have to cover the Panigale.
Yeah.
But we saw a Ducati group. We're seeing this now. Crazy. Chef, कैसा लगा?
बस
तूने ये क्लोजअप पे नहीं देखा हुआ है ना ये वाला बाइक? ये वाला? Now that's a proper Panigale V4. Take your time to just adore this beauty. It is on stock exhaust, but cold start of a Panigale V4. This thing has gone on track, by the way. M5 of some sort. Damn, bro. Chef got triggered thoda sa. But that was a proper M5, right? Come on.
देख ढंग से 5 सीरीज था।
हाँ, 5 series था. But on straight pipes? तो?
वो स्टेट पाइप नहीं उसको
हाँ हाँ उस Look who is here! Hello! Happy Independence Day! Look who just pulled up! The OG himself, Neville sir.
अरे वो बंदे ने
कैसे हो सर जी?
कैसे हो सर जी?
Congratulations on your new bike.
Thank you so much. Thank you. कैसे चल रहा है?
Scarlett is looking good, हाँ?
Thank you. It is all dirty messed up.
अरे बारिश बहुत है यार. ये क्या टाइम है आने का? हाँ? अच्छा, ये आके 10 मिनट हो गया इनको. तू अभी आ रहा है. What is this, हाँ?
लड़की का चक्कर बाबू भैया।
लड़की का चक्कर. दोनों होंडा पे हो वैसे भी. आ जाना चाहिए ना. ये you saw the Ducati group?
Yes.
And another G-Wagon. How many more?
Many more.
Many more.
Until we
But that was an old one, na? It sounds good.
You all buy one.
Oh yeah, definitely. आपसे लेंगे. आप spec करोगे. You are the main guy.
मैं लूंगा कभी.
हाँ, spec आप करो. You know how to spec the one, na? Now that's a Street Fighter, guys. You see this? उसका naked version है वो. So Mustangs have pulled up. I am not sure if that's the Dubai one. Boy, boy, that's a M2 Com. These people, man. Monoblocks on a GLC. God damn, man. That's a Mustang and that's a M2 Com. That's a monoblock wala ye. But that was a first gen Booza. Very rare to see in that particular shade. There's one guy जिसके पास नया जनरेशन है ना, सेकंड जनरेशन नीरव वाला. उसके पास नीरव वाला एडिशन है. हाँ. The Mustang was way too loud, guys. हम लोग ने बाकी का कैप्चर नहीं किया था. He was just rev bombing like anything. That's a Maserati GT, guys. Gran Turismo. That's a Audi RS5. Damn, and that's a Virtuous GT. Chef अपनी पोजीशन लेते हुए. Now that is a M2 comp. That's a proper M2 comp on bronze wheels. And if you can see those steps, man. Now that's a proper Mustang on HREs. Which HREs are? Oh yeah, that's a smoke lab. But we need to see what HREs is it on. Proper wrap and a straight pipe, custom straight pipe. Just look at this. It made an entry, not gonna lie.
I missed that.
And it is on wide body kit, of course. It's a Michelin Pilot's good hood vent. They do vent, they don't. The hood vent does not vent. Yeah, so there's a 3-splitter thing going on. One factory, one aftermarket and another aftermarket. Pretty crazy, not gonna lie. But good spec, bro. So M2 has started. We might get a couple of pops and bangs, if I must say. We'll see. We'll see what happens. What will happen?
Pops and bangs.
Pops and bangs?
And bangs and pops.
And bangs and pops. मेरा माइक नहीं लगा है, so please do mind the quality. We'll see. Ala? Finally. It's fine, it's fine. That's how spotting goes.
Who cares? I got
That's how spotting goes, bhai. There's another group coming. There's another group coming. There's another group coming. Crazy, if I must say. Crazy, you know. भाई सेकंड ब्लॉग ऑफ द चैनल एंड ये सब हो रहा है. पहले स्पॉटिंग पे तू था. नहीं, पहले स्पॉटिंग पे तू नहीं था.
I was at the independence.
नहीं, अपना इवेंट था. अपना इवेंट था. वी वेंट टू स्पॉटिंग उसके बाद. What a setup, man. What a setup. Others are still left and then Elena is still left. Let's see, man. Oh boy, bless my ears. बेस्ट ब्लॉग एवर.
100%.
अभी तक अपन BCH नहीं कर.
अभी तक हम BCH गए नहीं बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल विद नेवल. मैं उसको पूछ के आता हूँ, साथ में जाते फिर. नेवल BCH
I will go to BCH.
तो हमें काढ़िए गाड़ी.
नहीं 5 minutes. He's just finishing.
गाड़ी ने रखो गाड़ी.
आदि है वो. So yeah guys, Audi R8, M8, and like what else do you need, man?
I'm assuming he's going to BCH.
Yeah boy. Bro, that is the proper. हाँ.
That's one of the best Cayennes in the country, by the way.
Bro,
BCH, and there is a crazy lineup of supercars. We can see G-Wagon and whatnot. Landed in BCH, and what we got here? We got a Triumph Street Triple. We got the beautiful R8, as you can see, and as well going on because there's too much crowd here. And we got the G-Wagon. And we have Neville arriving in his beautiful CBR 650.
If you guys are into gaming and if you know Jonathan Gaming, उसका एक friend है SSR Vlogs कर. This is his M8 comp on a huge ass wing. That's a 360. But look at it, crazy car. Decently, like that's a good spec on a M8. Not gonna lie. Carbon roof, amazing, and just look how wide the front is.
So we have the Defender Club arriving here. So many Defenders.
Defender Club, yeah. Defender Club, yeah. So crazy vlog today. हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं because बारिश चालू हो रहा है and because it's going to be traffic थोड़ा सा. We left early, but man, what a Sunday today. Chef loved it even more because unexpected पे unexpected था and he got the whole क्या बोलते हैं experience he wanted, right? And Avnish also got the experience.
Definitely. You have to sit in that brand.
And every time we do this vlog, it gets better and better and better. So, please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and if you want the content to be more better, you know what to do. Just like it, share it. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. Over and out. Just check it. भाई मस्टैंग वालों को बोलो कि थोड़ा कम रेव बॉम्ब करे.
Bonus.
मैं उतर रहा हूँ. Please.
पूछ उनको पहले. पूछ ले उनको पहले.
क्या?